Hope, it's the strangest thing. One minute your head's in the clouds, the next you're shivering at the brink. Break through the wall, feel your mood lift. Plant yourself in the doors of joy, at peace with instinct. So hope, where are you now? Lead me to the borders of my pain, so that I may reach out. Feels like I'm falling away from the sun. Came too close once, a waxwork melting is what I've become. Plans be damned, they make everything feel incomplete in a life on the run.
Hope, a promised land within. Optimism rising, daring me to wish before my heart sinks down, like swallowing a stone. Once in a full chorus finds me alone. Feels like I'm falling away from the sun. I came too close once, a waxwork melting is what I've become. Plans be damned, they make everything feel incomplete with my life on the run.
Feel, come me from the raging storm, capsizing my hope. Where are you now? One minute your head's in the clouds,